Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to take you on a journey into the world of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, also known as JJBA for short. JJBA is a manga and animated series that has captured the hearts of fans worldwide with its unique style and unusual storytelling. From its quirky characters to its bizarre powers, there's a lot to uncover in this fascinating universe. To begin with, one of the bizarre elements of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is the art style. Unlike traditional manga, where the artist focuses on the element of cuteness, JJBA is characterized by muscular characters, dramatic poses, and exaggerated shading. The creator, Hirohiko Araki's peculiar art has become iconic and influenced many other artists. JJBA oftentimes slips some cultural reference and influences. Araki draws inspiration from various sources, including fashion, music, history, and mythology, creating a variety of references that add complexity to the narrative. Another point worth mentioning, the power system is also what sets JoJo apart from any other manga. Unlike the usual manga, where the characters are using energy-based power to perform techniques, JJBA uses supernatural powers that appear as physical manifestations of a person's soul called stand. To illustrate, Kujo Jotaro's stand, called Star Platinum, possesses incredible strength and speed, as well as is capable of stopping time. Next, another bizarre aspect of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is its colorful cast of characters. Each part of the story has different main characters, but still from the same bloodline. The main characters also have their distinct personalities and sense of fashion. For instance, the stoic and honorable Jonathan Joestar from Part 1, the funny and cunning Joseph Joestar from Part 2, the violent and rebellious Kujo Jotaro from Part 3, and many more. In conclusion, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is truly unique and captivating series that continues to impress viewers with its unique characters, bizarre powers, and stylish presentation. Whether you are a long-time fan or a newcomer, there's always something new and unexpected to discover in this extraordinary universe. That will be all from me. Thank you very much for listening.